How do you create a document in iPhone Notes? Let me explain that and let me talk about it. And if it's your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you that way never miss anything important. Of course, we have the Apple Notes app, which works well for a lot of people, but there are a few things you need to know in here. You can as well import the documents as well as export notes as the documents. The first thing, if you want to add a document into the note, would be by just getting inside of the text and body of the note, tapping the paperclip, and you can see we can scan the documents or attach files. When you click on attach file, it opens up the files app and you can import stuff like the PDFs or whatever else is available in here, right? Even a different file formats can be added. But yeah, that's how you can bring the document inside of the Notes app. However, if you already have a finished note with all of the text and all of the things added to it, you can as well just export it as the document. And you would do that by tapping on the share icon right there in the top right. And of course, you can pick between a collaborate and sending a copy. Because if you choose to collaborate, you basically send a link to someone else to be able to edit your notes. So you want to click on a send copy, and you can see we have more options with it. So I can click on a save to files, and this is going to be saved as text, right? So you can see that's how we can save it. But as well, we have more options because you can also just, for example, click on a print, and this you can see turns it into a PDF file. And now when I click on share, again, this is now a PDF document containing all of the text and everything that is part of that note. So using the print export tool is a very nice way to turn your notes into a PDF document, which is likely the format of the document which you are interested in. So then you can just save it wherever you want and you'll be done with it. So I would really appreciate your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you then.